Hey guys, what's going on? We got a personal box for John H. Little Optic mojo here. So, good luck, John. He's going with the bottom box of Optic. There's one left in the store. If anybody wants it, feel free to grab it. There we go. Looks like Ray's cat's holding him up. Dodgers-Yankees World Series. It's the second best thing for baseball. I think Yankees-Cubs would sell a little bit better. But Yankees-Dodgers would be right behind it as far as ratings go. Personal box queue is open. For anybody else that would be interested, here is the link. We got a ton of stuff in stock. Probably about 100 grand in inventory here in New York. So a ton of different items. Go ahead and check them out. There you go. So you're a Yankees fan living out in the West Coast, huh, Carlos? What brought you here tonight, by the way? Did you happen to see a Facebook ad, or just happen to be browsing, Googling case breaks, and remember us? Was it the Facebook ad? I always like to ask when I don't see people for a long time and they pop back in. I always like to ask just so I know what's working. Red prism in there. Ah, nice, cool. Good deal, man. We appreciate it, of course. Optic's so slippery. Ah, okay. Awesome, man. Good deal. Where were you deployed? If you don't mind me asking. Just making conversation. You can tell me to F off at any point. F10. F off. There they come. Fully expected everybody to take full advantage of that. Alright, John. Good luck, man. Here we go. Let's see what was hiding one of the last two Optic boxes we got. Zoom on. Alright, Beltray. Well, would you look at that? Right off the top, Kyle Schwarber. Studio auto out of 25. Not the most flattering picture. 3 F-offs right in a row. Studio, though. Blue. 15 out of 25 on that Schwarber. Good start. Good start. Crowder might be interested in buying that off you right now. Kershaw out of 299. They do smell good, Zach. They do. So Kershaw at 299, Schwarber at 25. Hap, Marte, Votto. We got a Votto Prism. Fulmer. We got a Masters of the Game Pedro. One Moncada. That's a beautiful looking card. Boy, see, that's actually well centered. Front, back, top, bottom. Finally, we have one that's well centered. Back's a little off, but way better than the other ones. Moncada. Murphy, Syndergaard, Molina, Markakis, and Harper. Reynaldo Lopez. And rest of the stack. We got the Frank, the Bryant, Thompson Prism. Another auto. Your second, Teoscar Hernandez. The current J. Agreed, Lauren. Black ink, rated rookie, Teoscar. 92 out of 125 on the Aqua auto. Agua. So 2 autos down. Possibly another one in here. Will Myers at a 299 for the Padres. Another Aqua. Diamond Kings. Dansby, Frazier, Kiermaier, Jonathan Villar, Franco. Looks like we do possibly have another hot box here. Fowler and another auto out of 5. Damn. Rio Ruiz, green, and a Bregman rated rookie. Like 3 or 4 hot boxes in this case. Crazy. The black ink Ruiz, that's the 3rd auto, 1 out of 5. Atlanta Braves kid, former Houston prospect, if I remember correctly. Big boy. Actually, not too big a boy, 6'2". Not huge. 1 out of 5. Nice card. 3rd auto. Let's see if we got a 4th and 5th, perhaps. Here's a nice card right here. Come on. Orange Correa, Diamond King. Out of 199. 11 out of 199 on the Correa. Looks so bad with the photoshopping. Ah! Do a side angle so we don't have to see that plain hat. Still beautiful looking though. Orange Correa. Alright, rest of the stack. Longo. Seager Prism. Polanco Prism. Benintendi the rookies. Kutch. Nice rated rookie of Bellinger right there. Prism too. Freeman. Got another auto, so we got another freaking hot box out of here. Pedroia. And we got Chad Pinder. Should be one more auto. What we got going on here? Okay, Haniger was stuck. Pinder is the auto. And again, it's the Prism 31 out of 150 on Pinder. 31 out of 150. Very pretty. Purdy. Alright, so should be one more auto. Hotbox usually has 5. I have seen some with just 3 and 4, though. Stanton Prism. Damn, nice card. The Mick. The Mickey Mantle SP. Nickname SP on the Mick. Another nice card. Weaver. Stanton. Markakis. Benintendi Prism. Kluber. There's your last auto. Let's set it down. We'll end with it. Josh Bell. Fowler. Fulmer. Trumbo Prism. Mad Bum. Miguel Sano. Edwin Prism. Dominator Porcello. Ramel. Rated rookie. And a Correa Diamond King. Let's see what your last auto is. Yankee colors on there. Could also be Colorado. And it is neither. It's Trevor May. Jinx! Trevor May for the Twins. Another studio auto. Prism. Still a very nice box, though. Got a lot of value out of that. Unnumbered. Optic. Studio. Trevor May to end it. Quick recap. Trevor May. Come on. We got Chad Pinder. Rio Ruiz was the Emerald rated rookie or green out of 5. Teoscar and Schwarber out of 25. I forgot all about the Schwarber. Damn nice box, dude. Couple nice SPs and some low numbered color too for the Com-C near you. Alright, there we go. Okay. Nobody in the queue, guys.